We are Duisburg Modellfabrik and have been based in Duisburg's Asterlagen Industrial Park for over 20 years now. We build foundry molds of all dimensions, from small models on plates to large parts that are transported to the foundries with heavy transports. The pattern plates that we manufacture are mostly used in the classic machinery industry, in the marine diesel engine field and in wind power plants. In recent years, our customers have asked more and more to optically measure the prototypes we have created. We scan almost every component that leaves our factory. We can use our measuring system in a flexible way and then create a color map comparison to the CAD file after scanning, regardless of where the component is in our plant. For us, the nice thing about the system is that it's very flexible, that we can scan both small and very large components. We can scan during production because of the dynamic referencing, which means that the results are not affected by vibrations and lighting variations. Our parts consist of several individual components, which, when assembled, make up a large part. However, this cannot be measured in one piece. Thanks to the virtual assembly, we have simply saved one step and do not have to put it back together ourselves. We also use the measuring system for engineering parts. For example, there are sometimes no drawings or 3D data of an existing component, and we only have access to the current part, which could even be the last one. We can then scan it and use the data to create a new model, for example via reverse engineering. We also sometimes scan our blanks. We can then load these into our CAM program to avoid air milling and to manufacture components on the milling machine more cost-effectively. The profession of a technical model maker is a craft with a high degree of digitization. It started 15 to 20 years ago with a CNC milling machine, then to 3D printing, and now with the optical measuring system we are easily on a new level in the field of digitization. By purchasing the measuring system from Creaform, we have, of course, also developed new business fields. This ranges from reverse engineering to art and shipbuilding. The Duisburg Modellfabrik wants to continue to master the entire process chain. That means that we continue to receive the data from the customer and, in the end, scan our own master models. Of course, a portable system like the Metrascan 3D from Creaform helps us with this.